Awesome. All right, everyone, let's get started. Welcome to Ignite. Happy day 2. Are we enjoying the conference so far? Yeah? Nods? Yeah? Awesome. This is boosting your Xamarin development productivity. So how many of you folks are currently Xamarin developers? Or okay, good smattering. How many of you are just here to kind of learn what Xamarin is and all the great things we do for you? Fantastic. So I'm Maddy Leger. I'm a program manager for our Xamarin tooling and productivity team, specifically Xamarin.Forms. And Xamarin is a cross-platform open source framework for Android, iOS, macOS, tvOS, all these different things, all written in .NET and C#. And the way it works is we basically take all of those platform APIs and we wrap them in C# for you. So you have 100% native API access, no matter what you're doing or what device functionality you need. And then we give you the opportunity to share all of this in one C# layer. So you can do your business logic, your platform-specific code. We have shared platform APIs for things like your flashlight and your geolocation, your accelerometer. All of that you can do with one line of code and shared C#, and with your user interface. So you can write C# or XAML, which is our Xamarin.Forms language of choice, or C# with Xamarin.Forms to write your UI cross-platform, and it compiles down to the native controls. So there are a bunch of talks this week. I have a slide at the end about all the great things going on in Xamarin, especially on the SDK and platform side. Today, we are going to focus on ways to boost your productivity when you're getting started or when you're already an existing Xamarin developer. And we're going to do this 4 ways. So the first is when you're coding, then when you're building your project, when you're deploying your project, and then iterating on it and making changes. So let's start with coding, something I'm sure you all are somewhat familiar with, something you do every day. Right off the bat, you might have heard a little bit or seen in some of the demos today and yesterday IntelliCode, which is the AI-assisted IntelliSense that brings the thing it thinks you want to type next to the top of the list of your IntelliSense list right there. So with Xamarin, it works right out of the box with your C# and with your Xamarin.Forms XAML. So it's going to start suggesting to you things that developers just like you do in this situation. When they open a button tag, what's the first thing they add? A text. We also have done a lot of work on the Mac side. So are any of you Mac developers here? Yeah, awesome, great. Love seeing Mac people at a Microsoft conference. So we've done 2 big changes to VS Mac in the past 6 months or so. And basically what we've been doing is re-architecting the brains of Visual Studio for Windows so that we could share it with our Mac developers. The first piece of this was our C# editor. So it's built from the ground up native to Mac. So it's very fast. You get right-to-left text support. You get emoji support, which is very important. But you also get the same IntelliSense and brains that you'd get on Windows. So the same Roslyn and all of those features. We did the same thing for XAML. So you get great auto-completions and like smart linting, namespace completion, light bulbs, that experience you kind of expect if you come from Windows and open up a Mac to do your Xamarin or your .NET development. Another thing we've worked on, if you're on the native Android side, if you're using Xamarin Android, it's basically like writing an Android app, except you get to use C# instead, which I think is pretty great. We've done a lot of work on your designer and your XML experience. So better layout linting, better refactorings, color previews, making it a lot smarter and helping you write your code as quickly as possible, basically. So you're done with coding. Then you want to build your project, which I know is when everyone usually goes and makes their cup of coffee, goes and grabs some lunch maybe. So what we wanted to do is really speed up that particular part of your day, give you less coffee breaks, sorry. But we took the Smart Hotel 360 reference app, which is something we built for a conference a couple years ago. It was a collaboration between a whole bunch of different teams. There's stickers for it at the App Center and Xamarin app innovation booth right by Sign 40, if you want a Smart Hotel sticker. But the key with Smart Hotel is it's a huge app. It has a bunch of dependencies. It has XAML, it has C#, it talks to the internet, it talks to your device in a whole bunch of different ways. There's local storage, there's cloud storage, and it takes a long time to build because of all of that. So we started with VS 2017 and we benchmarked it with this app. We said, how long does it take for your first build, for your incremental build, and for your deploy? And just changing XAML, we want that to be really, really fast especially. So then we improved it in VS 2019. We've continued to improve it since VS 2019 launched in April. But these are kind of the benchmarks we took then. And just with that 2 dot releases, we were able to decrease the deploy time over 50% for just a XAML change, which is huge. So we're saving you hours a month when you do the math out for this, which is, I think, pretty awesome. So now you're building, you're coding faster than ever. You have to deploy your app. And deploy is kind of a double-edged sword, because you want it to be really fast, but you also want your app to be really, really small and start up really fast. So there are some things you can do when you're debugging to make your app a little bit bigger, but a little bit faster for your builds. And then when you release it, so that it's a really small build, an APK or iOS bundle for your customer. So one big thing we did with, I believe, Visual Studio 16.2, which has been out for a little bit now, is called Android Startup Tracing. And what this does is it takes your APK and it pre-builds a bunch of the things it thinks you're going to need to build. And so it sticks that in the app. Android is an ahead-of-time compilation system. So if you build your whole app ahead of time, and you say, just don't try to do anything just in time, it makes your app huge, because it builds everything and then puts it in the app, and then you have to build and deploy it to the device. So the startup speed is faster, because it's not trying to do anything on the fly, but it is a bigger app. So what startup tracing does is it gives you a happy medium, where we're going to pre-build some of those things. We're going to AOT some of those libraries that we know you're going to need. We're going to give you those in the app, and it really only increases the size a little bit, but it makes the startup speed much, much better. So this is a great option for developers, or if you already have a small app and you don't think your customers are going to have a few more megabytes that they're worried about. This is a really, really great option. And the best part is it's just a checkbox. You have to do literally nothing but go into Android Build Tools and hit AOT compilation, enable startup tracing, and that's it. We did something called, we do a bunch of challenges in Xamarin, if you're ever familiar with our community. You'll see them on our blog a lot. So we give our developers a challenge, and we say, make a PR to this GitHub repo and tell us what you built. And so we did one with Android performance in particular, and startup tracing was one part of that. We saw huge improvements. So you can go click through the GitHub and see how developers and their real-world apps actually benefited from this in practice. The next thing that we worked on is actually something that came to Android a couple months ago, and we brought it to you in Xamarin, 100% native. It's called Android App Bundles. And the idea behind an app bundle is that when you build your app, it needs to have everything you're going to support, all the locales and regions, all your screen densities, all the images for all your different screen sizes. But in reality, a person only needs a certain subset of those things. So what an app bundle does is it plugs and plays the parts of your app that it thinks that user is going to need. So if I have a device and I have English and French downloaded, it's going to give me only that in my app. It's also only going to give me the screen's density and the images that I need for my phone. And it'll be different for every phone and every user. So it really, really shrinks your APK, your app size, up to 20 to 50% we've seen. And this is another thing that was included in that Android challenge on GitHub, on the Xamarin.Forms GitHub, Xamarin Android GitHub. So finally, one of the biggest product announcements from Xamarin this year came at our Xamarin Developer Summit in July, which was a fantastic event. Definitely keep your eye out for next year. And it was XAML Hot Reload for Xamarin.Forms. So we can only decrease your builds and deploys so much. You're still going to have to build and deploy at some point. So we were like, well, instead of trying to make it faster, how do we just get you to do that less times? And that is kind of where this idea came from. So with XAML Hot Reload for Xamarin.Forms, if you've used the UWP or WPF version, it's kind of similar. For us, you just hit deploy to an emulator, a simulator, or a device, Android or iOS, and you hit save, and your XAML changes are immediately reflected. We have tested it with a bunch of different framework vendors, control vendors, so it works with all your MVVM frameworks, your third-party controls, your custom controls, and if you make a mistake, it tells you what your mistake is, but it doesn't blow up. It just says, hey, there's a mistake here, fix it if you want, but feel free to keep reloading as you would normally. So I'm going to go through and show you a couple of the different scenarios of XAML Hot Reload. And so I am on my phone hotspot, so cross your fingers for me. We'll see how this goes. I want to do my simulator first. So right off the bat, to enable, and preface, this is Mac. I'm showing you Mac because there are a little bit more steps with iOS, as there always are. Why I wanted to do the more complicated demo, that's a great question. I don't know. But Windows, the steps are pretty much exactly similar, except for the first step, which is turning it on. So in Windows, Tools, Options, Xamarin, XAML Hot Reload. Very easy. In Visual Studio for Mac, Visual Studio Preferences, Projects, Xamarin Hot Reload. And it's a checkbox, that's it. We give you a link to the docs, and you turn it on. So you can see right now it says Preview. This is in stable Visual Studio. It's not in Preview Visual Studio, but it's still a preview feature, so we're still working on it. We want to bring it stable soon. We just want more people to use it to tell us it's ready. And this is James Montemagno's Xamarin.Forms Monkeys app. If you're not familiar with it, it's kind of like the quintessential demo app a lot of us use. And right off the bat, you can see I pulled it off of GitHub. He had an older version of Xamarin.Forms. So XAML Hot Reload is smart enough to know that Xamarin.Forms is not going to work with this right now. So I can just hit update. Oh, I'm already debugging. Yeah. Then it says, please update them manually because I'm on Mac. If I'm on Windows, it would do it automatically. So it tried for me. It said, nope, sorry, can't do it with this version that you're on. So I'll just go into Project, hit Update, accept my licenses. Hopefully the newest version is cached. We'll see. And then while I'm doing this, we'll also take a look at our iOS build settings. So with Hot Reload, you have to turn off the linker. So the linker is one of those things that you may or may not be familiar with if you're a Xamarin developer. Basically what it does is it links assemblies ahead of time. So it's going to make your app a little bit faster as it's going, but it makes your builds longer because it's linking assemblies ahead of time while it's building. So with XAML Hot Reload, since we're adding code back into your app after it's running, you don't want to have the linker on. With Android, there's an option called Link SDKs Only that works for the most part. But for iPhone, the best idea is don't link. So we're going to hit OK there. I'm going to let this keep updating. Close out of this dialog. Oh, my poor hotspot. There we go. Oh, my goodness. Android updates. There we go. And then I'm going to hit play. So I am on an iPhone simulator right here. Just your standard. I haven't updated Xcode recently. I don't have enough storage space. But the app builds, deploys like normal. And it loads up with this app. So it's just a list of monkeys. It's pretty cute. And I'm here in the monkeys.page.xaml. So the first thing I'm going to change, just to see that this is working, is I am going to change the border color of this circle, which is down here, which is a custom control. It's pulled off of NuGet. It's James's circle image. So there's a NuGet package for this. There's no source code for it in this project. But I'll change this border color to purple. And I will change the border thickness to 30. It's going to look terrible. But it works right there. You can see the little image is teeny. I'll make that border thickness a little bit smaller, 10. Just like that. So all I did was I hit save. It's going to refresh my page. It's going to show me my new XAML just like that. And you can see my data is saved. So this is a good old MVVM app. I have a view model in here that's kind of handling those monkeys. All that data stays the same. It's not calling from my API again either because the view model is bound in the code behind. So when I hit save on the XAML, it's just going to refresh the XAML page. And then I can go into like a specific page here. And this is the details page, I think. Yes. And I can change something like this. So I'll change some data binding. I'll switch the location and the name of the monkeys kind of in this title. So you'll see really quickly, it just switches. It keeps my data, it keeps my data state, and it keeps my navigation state. So it doesn't screw up which monkey I'm on. It doesn't bump me back to the home page. It just works. Just pretty nice, if I do say so. So if I go into the code, and let's say that I'm rushing, or I don't know what the name of something that I'm data binding is, and I type something wrong. So I want to change this border to purple. I hit save, purple spelt wrong. You can see it just takes off the attribute. And it gives me squiggles using IntelliSense. And it says, hey, we don't have this image, or we don't have this color. Sorry. But I can go ahead and change other parts of my app. So I switch my name and location back. Hit save. And that updates, and it just ignores the fact that it doesn't know what to do with the border. So if you go and you try to wire it up to an event handler that doesn't exist yet, and it's like, hey, I don't know how to do this, it's just not going to add that event handler. It'll let you keep hot reloading. It'll keep your navigation. It's not going to break. So I'm going to flip into a different project, and I'm going to show you this on a real phone as well. File, recent solutions, Ignite shell. So let's get rid of this simulator. I am screen mirroring with QuickTime. Yep, it's still awake. That's good. This is where I said it gets a little complicated. When you're deploying to an iPhone, you have to go through all your regular steps of provisioning like you would as a Xamarin developer or an Xcode developer, whatever it is. But with an iPhone in particular, with a physical iPhone, you want to add something called the interpreter into your mTouch arguments. And this is kind of similar to the linker. In a very basic way, it's just saying that Apple, which is it's strictly ahead of time, unlike Android, which lets you do just-in-time compilation. This is from Mono, and it's saying, hey, you can go ahead and do this just in time as I'm changing my XAML for me. So it works fine on the simulator, but on the device, you have to go and put this flag in. This is going to be a checkbox on a later release. I wanted to show you what it looks like to you right now, so I'm not on the internal build right now. So I'm going to hit OK, and then I'm going to hit play. So this is just the Xamarin.Forms shell template. If you're unfamiliar with shell, definitely look it up. But David Ortnow, who is the PM for Xamarin.Forms All Up, is doing a great talk on it Thursday. I'd check that out. It's kind of the new way of architecting your app and handling all your navigation for you. So, oh, it wants me to launch it. Untrusted. Okay, I can fix this. Settings. General. Device management. Trust. Can you tell how many times this happened to me? Now I'm going to open it. Let's make sure the debugger connects all right. No? All right, we'll stop, and we'll restart it. You can see that Xamarin.Forms automatically respects the fact that my iPhone is in dark mode, too, which is pretty cool. So if you're a Xamarin.Forms developer right now, and you do want to... Still waiting, OK. And you do want to utilize dark mode or overwrite dark mode, all that capability is already in there for you, which is great. So I think this is trying to talk to the internet right now, which is why it's taking a long time. But what I can do is try and clean and rebuild and see if that helps us out. And be mindful of time. I only have 3 minutes. OK. We'll give it 1 sec. Now it has to rebuild the whole thing because I just cleaned out everything. And then let me, while this is building, I'll also show you what the app shell looks like. So it's just a file, and it has tab bar and tab. And you can also add flyouts. You can change all the properties of what your navigation throughout your entire app is going to look like right here. So I can just update these values, hit save, see them reflected with Hot Reload, no problem. My build is successful, so let's deploy that. Here we go. Installing app bundle. Give it a sec, waiting for it to connect. It's launched. OK, we'll give it a second. What I was going to show you, if this connects in a second, I will, is that if you have your resources outside in your app in a resource dictionary, whether it's global or just for part of it, for like specific resource dictionaries or merged resource dictionaries, you can change things in here in your XAML and see them changed on the page that you'd actually be on. So in this, it's the About page. About. So if I was to go in here, update this to purple, hit save. Oh. Generated file successfully. All right, it looks like it's connected. I'll have to debug this later. I am on a preview, not the internal preview, but this is a good one to look at later. If I change something here, my app. OK. Yeah, I'll check this out later. But it will update your resources on the page. So fantastic. OK. I'm going to flip back to the slides real quick and wrap up. I just want to show you the resources that you can go to learn more about Hot Reload, which is a preview feature. But it's instable right now. XAML Hot Reload docs. And then you can go and download James' app if you want to play around with it at at github.com/jamesmagno/Xamarin.Forms-monkeys. There's also a bunch of Xamarin talks still happening this week. You have not missed them all. There's a workshop this afternoon. Amy Burns in the back and I will be running it. You will get to use Hot Reload hands-on there. It's a bring your own device workshop. There's the Xamarin Visual System deep dive this afternoon. There's a Xamarin community meetup right behind this developer feedback wall tomorrow in the language lounge at lunchtime, so feel free to come by, say hi, and chat. And then a bunch of talks Thursday. Just search Xamarin or search any of our names, and some of them will pop up. So I am right at time, so I am going to turn off the mic, but please feel free to come up and ask any questions. I have plenty of time after this to chat. So thank you so much.